quality assurance. Suntay SPB Series Electro-Hydraulic CNC Press Brake. The frame of whole machine adopted steel plate welding. Through the tempering process, it can eliminate the welding stress and the working deformation. Make sure the machine with a durable accuracy. The system adopts with Cyberlac of the special CNC system for press brake. Simplicity of operation, it according to the thickness and length of the plate, the tonnage and compensation value can be calculated automatically. Hydraulic part adopts imported integrated control system, adopted Japanese knock seals. The mold is made of 42 CR mold material, forging with integral heat treatment, hardness up to 46 to 48 degrees. Surface with precision grinding, highly polished, accuracy up to 0.02 mm. Other parts of the machine are equipped imported and domestic first-line brands, quality assurance.